Hello, and what a great day to sew something wonderful. I'm Kia with Kia B, and I'm so excited to be back with you today. I'm alone today, it's sad. Tech Guy is here, but he is getting the kids to bed. And yeah, we've been doing a lot of stitching, a lot of pattern reading. It's like given me time to sit down and really go through my patterns and what I want to do and my plans and all the things. So I'm glad to be able to do that. So today I have for you a Creative Notions box, and I'm so excited about it. Y'all know that like I love Vicki and I love the boxes that she's given us and blessed us with every single month. She puts so much hard work into these boxes. She hand makes things in these boxes. I mean, they're just beautiful in general. They're beautiful. So we wanted to show you March 2020's box. So the very first thing though, you guys, I put my bracelet together, which were all of our charms from last year. And you guys, oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I'm so mad that I waited this long to do it, but honestly, like I didn't really know how to do all the jump rings and stuff. And so, thanks to YouTube, now I have my bracelet all put together and I love it so much. So excuse the fat fingers, but oh, you guys, it's so stinking cute. And like all the little charms on it and everything. So these are what we got last year. In each box, you got a different charm, and then you could choose a couple of different things for your charms to go on, and I chose a bracelet. I don't remember what all of the things were, but yeah. So I love Vicki's boxes. They're so nice. They're so thoughtful and kind, and I just love them. So she does a really great job with packaging. She realized very quickly on she had the cutest boxes made, but she realized very early on that way of shipping was quite expensive. And so she wanted you to have like the most bang for your buck. So now what she does is she makes these beautiful canvas like cloth. Some of them are cloth, some are more canvasy fabric. And I like to use them as project bags. I can put like kits and things in here and it's wonderful. And so she sends these and she puts them in shippers and they're all really, really cute. So this is kind of like a green striped one and I love it. So let's get in here and take a look. I'm seeing if I can find there it is. Yes, so this is Oh Sweet Spring, How I Love Thee, March subscription box for 2020. So, I will open this up, but I don't want to take too close of a look, and y'all know that because I like to be surprised as to what is in here. So let's keep going. Tech Guy's not here to like hand that to him. Okay, we've got, ooh, yummy candy, Kit Kats. Those are the white chocolate kind too. Those are lovely. Okay, so the first thing we have in here is Maker's Planner Journal Cards. Okay, so as we know, let me grab it. But as we know, the Maker's Planner, which is this, has these plastic kind of like sheet protector things in it. They're super lovely. And it's got one per month. So like here is February's, and then it's got the sheet protector. So these journal cards fit right into there, which is great. I kind of saw, which you guys will see at the end of this video, Vicki had sent us a couple of things for our channel, and I saw those journal cards in there, and I was like, where did those come from? I don't remember seeing those. So I'm glad that they were in this. So then you can just take them out and slide them right into the sheet protectors, which is great. Guys, this planner is awesome. I love it so, so much. So I'm glad that we got those. So they are 54 reversible cards that fit in there. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love them. They're adorable. And I'm so glad that y'all like this camera setup from our last floss tube. Y'all like said it loud and proud that you loved this. And I'm so glad that you do because I can show you things like super up close and it's wonderful. Okay, the next thing in here, kind of a lot spilled out at one time. This is a chocolate peanut butter pie recipe. So that's great. She always gives us these really adorable recipe cards. And if I'm not mistaken, you can actually email her recipes and she will choose a different recipe from a subscriber each month, or a designer or someone close to her. So The next thing we have is a bag accessory kit. So that must mean we have a pattern in here for this. These are beautiful leather handles. So it's got a handle set, 2 zips, and 2 charms. Oh, I wonder if that's the bag. Look how cute that is. Sorry for the reflection. So then we've got a long zipper, 2 long zippers. Oh gosh. Okay, great. Cute. Okay, so we'll keep going through that. These are like a, I'll open these up. Sorry, this is crinkly. There we go. These are, oh, and they're in plastic. They're like a brown, like leather color. They're beautiful. I am not much of a bag maker. I don't do really well. Mr. Domestic has the bag tutorial out for the So Demented, what's that thing called? The So Demented pattern, but it's the one where it zips all the way around and then it opens up and it's got lots of zippers. I've made several of them. Every single time I've had to make one, I have to watch his video along with reading all the instructions because I'm not a bag maker and it's really hard for me. And so I'm super thankful for that video because it gets me through every single bag. So, and her instructions are lovely for that pattern. Okay, so then let's see, we've got some, ooh, okay. So this must be the lining for the bag, like the foam for the bag. This is called Josie's bag. And it looks like she has been putting her patterns in these great Ziploc bags, which I love because it does protect them. Look at all the different configurations of that bag. Okay, which one's your favorite? Man, I don't know. I love them all. I don't know. I love them all. I love this one that shows like all of the fabrics in the line, but I really like this one would probably get really dirty for me because I mean, I have children. It gets dirty, right? So that's really pretty. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. So then, okay, we've got our fabric bundle here. This is what I'm talking about. She makes this with her Cricut and puts it in here. So this is our Zappy Dot for this time, which y'all, I met the people when we were at Market in March. I met Andrea with Zappy Dots and she is so lovely. And we got to talking about Vicky and the subscription box and how thankful Tech and I are for Zappy Dots. And we've just been adding to our collection and I love that. This is so adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. I'll hold it up against this so maybe you can see it a little bit better. My fingers are gonna get in the way. Oh, nope, I dropped it. Okay. Can you see how cute that is? I love it. I love it. Sorry, my fingernails. I mean, we're in quarantine, people. Okay. So yeah, so I've got that in there, the little Zappy Dot, and it comes in its little bag. This one is Waxing Moon Designs Spring. Super cute. Did you guys know that they make Zappy Dots for literally anything? And you can have Zappy Dots custom made with your logo on them, or if you have an event that you're doing, you can have those made. That's like super fun. They were really, really nice. Okay, and then here is our fabric bundle. And so we've got these, you know what? I don't have to do overhead shots anymore because I can show it to you right here. Okay, so we've got the, oh my word, guys. That is so adorable with the chickens and the bunnies and the strawberries. So we've got this. Sorry, the kids are still awake. It's not too late. Obviously, Tech Guy's struggling with bedtime. Look at the little strawberries. Oh my gosh. If there's enough left over, I might make another sew together bag. That's what that bag is called, sew together bag. Okay, this is fun. I haven't done one by myself in a while, so this is fun to talk to you guys. Okay. Ooh, look how pretty. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. I love the flowers. Oh, speaking of flowers, look at these. This is a gorgeous bundle, really. I'll have to see if she included the name of it. Look at that one. Now I kind of like the design of having all the fabric show even more because I don't want to just pick my favorites. That's like a navy color too. I don't want to just pick my favorites. That's not fair. Okay, let's take a look. So, Let's see. Yeah, in this box, she always gives you 4 or 5 fat quarters. And then you get a token of some sort. Right now it is Zappy Dots. And I think it's Zappy Dots through August, maybe. And then like last time it was jewelry, which I showed you the bracelet that we made from last time. And so that was that time. You always get a recipe, and then you always get notions, thread, or patterns may also be included. They have a Facebook group that you can join as well if you would like. So the fabric is, our beautiful fabric this month is called Daisy May by Poppy Cotton. We have chosen 8 fat quarters of this amazing country inspired fabric that we know you will love. So that's valued at $24. And then we have our Zappy Dot that is valued at $3.50. Then we have our recipe winner this month, which was Sonia Jones with her recipe for chocolate peanut butter pie, which that sounds so delicious. Then we have our journal cards, which were valued at $6. And then we have the amazing bag and all the kits to go in that. That is Pellon Flex Foam. I almost said that, but I wasn't 100% sure that it was Pellon. But it is Pellon Flex Foam with one-sided adhesive. So you can tell one of the sides has adhesive on it. And so that values at $10 a yard. So we got half a yard of it. I can't claim my craft room because I get distracted by all the cool stuff I find again. She always puts like a fun little saying or something, so that's cute. Cool. And then she put a 30-day craft room cleaning challenge. Cool. In the very near future, we will be sharing our space with you in our first sewing room tour. Once the dust settles from shipping and the surfaces are cleaned and polished, we will show you that space. So they have their own YouTube channel as well. So they've got a 30-day craft room, and what better time than to do that right now? Because, yeah. Well, this is great. I love this bag so much. Like this box is so special every single month, and she puts so much time and effort, and her family helps her, and they do a ton of things as well, and we're just so appreciative of her. So thank you, Vicky, so much. Speaking of just how giving she is, she sent us 2 planners with all the goodies. So the stickers and the planner cards that we got today, she sent us those to pass on to you guys. So we're gonna be doing a giveaway, which I know that some of y'all are still waiting on the March 25,000 subscribers giveaways to get mailed to you. As soon as we can start shipping again, we will get those out to you. Our post office is a little wonky right now. And with our little guy being so immunocompromised, we have not been shipping anything just yet. So, but with that being said, we are doing a giveaway with these 2 planners. So, and she has lots of these planners left. And so, you can go back to the video where we got this and we flipped through it a little bit, and it's beautiful. If you guys have questions or want me to flip through it next month, please tell me and I will be happy to do so. But let's see, I would love if you would, don't say giveaway or don't say free in the comments. That just allows people who have made it all the way to the end of the video to be able to enter into the giveaway, and people who subscribe to our channel and watch our channel and don't just look through the internet for giveaways. So that's really important to us. So please don't say giveaway and please don't say free in there. Let's do this. What is your favorite thing about the Creative Notions box that we've sent? Whether you get them or you don't get them, that we have gotten and unboxed on our channel, or if you get them yourself, what is your favorite thing that you get within that box? Gosh, there's so many things. I love this planner so much, and y'all know I'm a planner girl at heart. So I love that. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Tech Guy is very sad that he's not here today, but he's helping. He's helping a great deal. So thank you all so much for joining us on the Hive today. Thank you for all your feedback on the new camera angle. We're really excited about it. The whole setup we're really excited about, and we're just excited about the things that are coming on our channel. So thank you for joining us in the Hive today, and y'all have a wonderful afternoon.